Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you the most amazing feature called Quality Index Analysis in the Material Database Viewer. 6 physical properties are included in this Quality Index Analysis: viscosity, specific volume, heat capacity, thermal conductivity, mechanical properties and processing conditions, and these properties are corresponding to the data shown on this page. For each property, MHC scores 1 to 5. How does MHC score? It is based on the source of these data, the measurement method and the compatibility. The score ranges from 1 to 5. The cover area in this radar chart determines the quality of this material. If the coverage is over than 80%, MHC will show green color. If it is under than 60%, MHC will show red color. For coverages between 60% to 80%, MHC will show yellow color. It's obvious and quick to determine the quality of the material with the color. If you'd like to apply the material to the simulation, the color of radar chart is a quick reference. That's all about the quality index analysis. Thank you.